We can't let it take the light! We're ready! Keep moving, Tom!
Right behind you!
Hold on!
Almost there! It's up there! The light!
I can feel it!
Let's go! It's bigger than we thought! We'll need to be smart to get there. We're almost there! Stay sharp! We move together! It's huge! Stay ready! Let's see what it's planning.
Whoa! It's not attacking us yet! Stay calm. We can handle this.
We've got to hold it together! Watch your step! Stay sharp, Tom! Piece of cake! Not strong enough. We need a new plan.
Then we'll have to try something different.
Hold the line, Tom! Gotcha!
We move together.
These pillars will hold us. Nice work, Bao. Let's keep moving.
We move together.
Follow my lead. Pillars and colors in sync.
Bao, I see a pattern. We can use it.
Got it. Let's adjust. Target the weak spots, Tom. On it. Let's make it pause. We've got this. Together. Side by side. No turning back. It's scared, not evil. We need to stay calm and guide it.
Watch the wave. Keep steady.
I've got the colors. Move with me. Step back. I've got this.
Be careful, Bao.
It's hurting. The cage, not it. We need to help it, not fight it. Bow. There, look. That's the weak spot. Got it. Let's steady it. It's not the crab, it's the cage. Then let's fix that, together.
Together. We stop for now. It's okay. We'll help you. It's okay. We're here to help. We've got you.
We're holding it steady, almost there. Just a bit more light. We've got this.
It's free. We did it!
Look, it's calm now.
It's safe!
It's all calm again. Everything's back to normal. We're friends now. Everything's safe together.
Everything's coming back! Look at all the colors!
I missed you, Finn. We did it together.
Thank you, Bao! Thank you, Tom!
The world feels right again.
And peaceful, too.
The world feels alive again.
And we'll keep it safe. Looks like our next adventure is waiting. I can't wait to see what's out there.